Namaskar, this is Laura Nika and you're watching Bharat This Week only on Laura Nika TV. Arvind Kejriwal to stay in jail. In a dramatic turn of events, the Delhi High Court has stayed the bail order for AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal. Just hours before his expected release from Tihar jail, the court decided to keep the chief minister behind bars until a new order is pronounced. The High Court stated that a thorough examination of the Enforcement Directorate's petition is necessary before any further decision. Nalanda reawakens. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the newly established campus of Nalanda University, breathing new life into the world's first residential university. Located less than 20 kilometers from the historic Nalanda Mahavihara, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the modern university marks a significant revival of the institution originally founded in 427 CE. Kanchenjunga Express collides with goods train in Bengal. Tragedy struck West Bengal's Darjeeling district when the Kanchenjunga Express collided with a goods train near New Jalpaiguri. The accident, which occurred around 9 a.m., claimed at least 8 lives and left more than 50 injured. UGC NEET exam cancelled. The National Testing Agency (NTA) announced the cancellation of the UGC NEET examination amid suspicions of compromised integrity. The Ministry of Education stated that a fresh exam will be conducted with details to be shared separately. Meanwhile, the matter has been handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) for a thorough investigation. Kallakurichi spurious liquor. Death toll rise to 54 over 116 hospitalized in Tamil Nadu's Kallakurichi district. A devastating huge tragedy has resulted in the death of at least 54 people with over 116 hospitalized. The Karunapuram colony, the epicenter of the tragedy, is engulfed in grief, with funerals in almost every household. Devasnana Purnima, Holy Trinity's heavenly ritual performed at Puri Jagannath, the holy city of Puri, witnessed the divine ritual of Devasnana Purnima, where Lord Jagannath and his siblings were showered with 108 pitchers of fragrant water. This ritual, also known as Jalabhishek, marks the time in the year that the deities are brought out of the Sanctum Sanctorum. Celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Jyeshta, this festival is considered the birthday of Lord Jagannath. Devotees throng to witness the holy bath, with 35 pots of water used for Lord Jagannath, 33 for Balabhadra, 22 for Devi Subhadra, and 18 for Lord Sudarshan. In Guwahati, the ongoing Ambubachi Mela has drawn thousands of devotees to the Ma Kamakhya temple. This annual festival sees a large influx of pilgrims offering prayers and participating in rituals. The temple grounds are filled with an atmosphere of devotion and spiritual fervor. Stay tuned for more updates of these and other important events.